Fenugreek is very beneficial for the body, be it through topical application or oral consumption. It consists of powerful antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory and emollient properties. It efficiently clears blackheads and whiteheads from your skin. Home remedy for blackheads and whiteheads. You will need 1 cup fresh fenugreek leaves and water. Let's learn how to remove blackheads and whiteheads. First of all, grind the fenugreek leaves with enough water to make a smooth paste. Then you need to apply a thin layer of the paste on the affected areas and let it remain there for 10 minutes. Now you need to rinse the affected areas after 10 minutes with lukewarm water. Finally, pat dry and apply moisturizer. You can also use fenugreek seeds instead of the fresh leaves to make the paste. You need to use this remedy once or twice a week for best results. This home remedy is suited for all types of skin. If you liked this home remedy, we request you to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.